The video. In this video we will solve trapping rainwater problem. This problem comes under hard category. This is very similar to container with most water. Let's start with initial coding, that is declaring indices. We will use a left pointer for left side, right pointer for right side. Length of height array -1. Now the right pointer will point at the last element in the heights array. Then left max is equal to 0, right max is equal to 0. Now left and right max are the max heights so far at the left index and the right index, that is left side and right side. You will also declare another variable, water area, and set its value to 0 in the beginning. Then we will declare the while loop. While left is less than right, then we will check at which side the height is lesser, left or right. Then we will again check the left max height so far, left max or the height at the current left index. Then we will add the water area on the left side, that is left max minus height at the left index. Then we will increment the left pointer by 1. Else, this does not have brackets, Python does not have brackets, else right max is equal to max of right max or the height at the right index. Then again we will calculate, add the current right side's water area to the current water area, that is right max minus height at the right index. Okay, then we will decrement the right pointer by 1, and then we will return the water area. Let me explain the while loop once again. We are checking at which index the height is lesser. If it is lesser on the left side, that is at the left index, we will use that area for calculation of the current water volume that can be added to the existing water volume, or we will calculate the water area that has to be added to the total water area at the right index, that is height at right. And while calculating the difference, that is the stored water, we are simply using the max height on either side minus the height at the current index. Let's see if our solution passes these 2 or 3 test cases. Okay, it is saying that error. Okay, we forgot to add the colon here. Wrong. Okay, we need to append the water area. Okay, let's try to submit our solution. Okay, our solution has been accepted. The time complexity of this solution is big O of n, and space complexity is constant, that is big O of 1.